Storm Chaser Gavin back with another video here along with an update. I'll post this part for the update. We're supposed to have severe weather today. We're under a slight risk. Big chunk of Ohio is. Most of the rest of the day under a margin risk. We got some clouds here to the west that are starting just kind of overcast. There's some storms coming. Looks like it may be a developing squall line or MCS, Mesozoic convective system. That is approaching the Cincinnati area right now. It's actually coming into Cincinnati right now. And it's coming my way, so I'm hoping to, get some of this, and probably won't, well, hopefully, I think it probably won't be here tonight, but if it's approaching Cincinnati right now, I'm about an hour east of Cincinnati, so it'll probably still be light when it gets here. Hopefully, anyway. So I just want to let you guys know that and starting this video, hopefully we'll get something. I'm also happy 4th of July out there too, if you guys celebrate it. If not, have a happy Thursday. And I know we are supposed to have severe weather again tomorrow. The risk is lower, but it looks like the storms, or at least when I looked at it earlier, it said the storms are supposed to be, they're supposed to be worse storms tomorrow, but a lower risk of it happening. So we'll see what happens with that. But I love you all, and I'll hopefully see you once these storms get close. This line of developing storms gets closer. And I'll keep you all posted for the updates too. Hey everybody, I'm back with another segment of this video here. I'm finally starting to come in. It's more of a linear cluster of storms. I'm not any, I just heard some thunder a minute ago. I haven't seen any lightning yet. But, it is, on radar it's moving east, but it looks like some part of it, stars of it look like kind of moving southeast. To some of it's, even if it goes east, it's going to become passing over here. Sorry, I was reading a notification they got recorded on my phone. It's going to be going this way because Leesburg's down there and it's passing through Leesburg. But on radar, some of like the stuff is showing it moving more of a southeasterly direction. So I don't know what's going on with that. And it does a special weather statement it has for it because it's a strong storm. It's not severe warned yet, but it's got a special weather statement for it. And it says the storm that's coming this way is so it's got a special weather statement out for it, but it has 40-mile-an-hour winds and it says frequent cloud to ground lightning. So this is going to be dangerous. There's some thunder. I need to walk down there is what I need to do. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning. It looks more of like a linear cluster of embedded supercells. So I don't know. It's more of a multi-cluster type event with embedded supercells is what it looks like. They're smart walking down here, lightning activity, but that supercell, that tornadic supercell that came back in July last year, that was producing lightning strikes like crazy, and I was finding that. Walk down here though, this is where the storm's going to be passing. And this is dangerous. This is extremely dangerous. Of course, that storm, that was a highway patrolman. Ohio State highway patrolman that just drove by. That's super. Oh, there's a neighbor coming in. Or a friend or something. That supercell, originally I thought it was going that way, and actually I got hit with it like pretty much directly. That also produced a tornado right. That produced a tornado in the field over there. I didn't see until I was watching the footage of it. And I actually had to watch the footage a few times. I was thinking heat of those coming down on me. I went in this segment here and wait to get a little closer, but it's still like 5 or 6 miles away, I think. So I'll hopefully be back in the segment. Okay, everybody, it's really thundering a lot now, and this storm just went strong warned again for strong. They canceled it and they put it right back. Start to see some structure over here too. Who knows, maybe I'll get to see a shelf cloud of this thing. Looks like it could be one over there actually, guys. It says this situation's getting really intense real fast. That might be a shelf cloud, guys. And now it's stronger than it was before the first time too. Holy cow, guys. Guys, describe please, because I am putting myself in danger here. Serious danger. I do it for you guys and I do it to enjoy it, but please subscribe and like the video, guys. I'm really, pushing the limits of danger here. Especially with the lightning activity being this intense. And I think that might be a shelf cloud starting to come on the horizon. Which huge shelf clouds are usually found on strong and severe storms, where they're typically found at. Oh boy. This is going to turn south really quick. Guys, I think that is a shelf cloud. Looks like one. Developing one anyway. Oh boy. Oh boy. We are under a severe threat today. There's been no severe thunderstorm warnings. But we are under a severe weather alert today. Yeah, guys, that's a shelf cloud. That looks like a shelf cloud. Oh boy. Maybe a little more than I'm barking for, guys. Of course, I'm a storm chaser. I want to go all the way with this, That's a shelf cloud. That's a shelf cloud on the horizon, guys. That is a shelf cloud on the horizon. Pretty well developed shelf cloud too. The leading edge of the shelf cloud there, guys. Oh boy. Well, I got my stomach. I did get a job too. Recently I haven't started yet, so I'll be less active. I'll still try to be as active as possible, but I won't be as active as much. Hopefully once I start storm chasing in my free time, I'll be able to naturally chase. So I'll be more active when that starts. So I was hoping to do that at the end of the year, but I don't know if I will or not. So I'm going to just quit here and talking, and just let the shelf cloud come in. Shelf clouds can be real quick. Shelf clouds can be on form on the leading edge of any thunderstorm. They can be associated with non-severe or severe weather, but they typically indicate strong to severe storms. They're about ready to be a strong to severe storm, but they form on the leading edge of them. And they're typically found on the leading edge of squall lines and supercells. Guys, that is one of the best shelf clouds I've ever seen. All day long, baby, all day long. We're supposed to have another round of severe storms tomorrow. Risk is lower, but now this shelf cloud is a little disorganized because the storm is still developing, but it's still got a very good shelf cloud, even for developing thunderstorms. And you can see this is more of like a squall line because the shelf cloud is more linear. It stretches across more of the horizon. Let this beauty come in. Now it should be coming over here too once it comes over the trees. This is more of a linear mode of storm, more a line of storms, more of a squall line than supercellular. Now I think they said that the supercells could be embedded in this. Sometimes supercells are embedded in squall lines, but when they are, it decreases its tornado threat significantly. I really want to try to stop talking. I keep saying that and I keep talking. I really want to try to stop and let this come in. I just keep thinking of things I should say if I keep talking. Beautiful squall line. I believe this is a mesoscale convective system, which is a squall line. That's so bad. You can see it stretching all the way down over there too. It's a developing shelf cloud, but it's somewhat already developed at the same time. Oh boy. Hopefully this video is not going to be too long to edit, or I have to edit it in separate parts. I wish my neighbor's house wasn't right there, but that's where the big part of the shelf cloud, more solid shelf clouds coming in. So this thing has frequent lightning, frequent cloud to ground lightning with it, but I haven't seen any lightning yet at all. I've heard some thunder, which means lightning is, in the vicinity. Yeah, there is some lightning, right as I was talking about it. I'm really gonna have to push it, guys, once this thing comes over back up to the house. We're really gonna have to move. Hope I don't get struck by lightning in the process. That is a beautiful shelf cloud. Guys, that's one of the best shelf clouds I've ever seen. There's some more lightning. There's the thunder. Wish that lightning was... I know I keep talking, guys, but there's something I need to be talking about in the videos while I keep doing it. I don't mean to, talk you guys bored, but that could be some rotation moving over right there, possibly. This storm, I don't know if it's weakened or not. Doesn't look like it's weakening anyway. Well, I can't look at the radar right now either. But this actually, when they reissued a special weather statement for it, it was heading towards more. When I'm reading the special weather statement, it's heading more towards the severe level. I haven't got severe, serious thunderstorm warning on it yet, but very likely be headed that way. That is a measure scale convective system. Squall line. Might have to do this in 2 parts, guys. I've seen some lightning with it, nothing too crazy yet. Guys, I want to end this segment right here because I want to try to get a thumbnail of this, but I'm thinking, make a thumbnail for this. I want to start doing that, I just don't think about it when I'm recording. So, I want to end this, turn myself around and get a thumbnail real quick. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got a thumbnail. I guess I got more problems. That guy has more problems than I do. Well, maybe not really at this point. He's on a motorcycle, which is dangerous, but I'm standing out here waiting for it. So I think that back, yeah, I got more problems than he does. I'll tell you guys, this thing is not moving very quick. It's actually moving rather slow. Guys, I want to try to do another thumbnail here. Now it's getting closer. Maybe zoom a little bit on it too. Hold on. Guys, this is bonkers. This is absolutely bonkers. Well, I was just thinking yesterday, earlier today, how I'd like to see another squall, and I'm going to see one. This is nasty. I haven't seen much lightning with this, but the structure on this is bonkers. Figuring at this point the lightning activity would be picking up significantly. Guys, I am going to end this segment here and wait till this thing gets closer because I've been recording the same thing for like 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys in very shortly in this second. Alright guys, sorry I waited too long talking to my mom. I just saw a big CG over there. Big CG over there, guys. I'm at a huge risk here. And this looks like a developing QLCS tornado right there. Guys, this is bad. This is bottom line bad. Or high end, bad. Get that. That looks like a QLCS tornado developing, quasi-lunar convective system tornado developing. Here we go, guys. Hopefully I'll get another big CG like that. Starting to fizzle out, but that was definitely a big Holy crap, guys. I wish I had that lightning strike on camera. That was really freaking close too. That just hit just right over there. Oh god, guys. I can see a green glow in it now. It says a multi-cell line or a squall line. Big CG popped out right over there and I wasn't even recording. It says that I think clouds are ground lightning with it though, so hopefully I'll get. I can't believe I missed that. That's just my luck. Every single time, that's my luck. I see a green glow in there too. It's hard to see a shuff cloud coming over the trees too. Come on, please give me another lightning bolt. There's some flashes. Guys, this is nasty. This is one of the best wall lines I've ever seen. You can see rising scud over here. That QLCS funnel disappeared. Guys, subscribe. Please subscribe and like, because I am putting myself through a very, 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 very extremely dangerous situation. Like, I shouldn't even be standing out here right now with this. Still hasn't reached severe criteria yet, but it's about probably going to, if it keeps going the way it's going to very, very soon. Look at that green glow in there. The camera's picking some of it up. That could be another QLCS type. It's right there. Definitely more scud. Oh boy, guys. I got my wish. I wanted to pop out some more CGs. Oh, guys, this is taking a turn for its worst, for the worst. That CG was maybe 600 yards away, if that. There's a shelf cloud coming over the trees. Please give me some more CGs. That's just my luck, guys. I'm sorry. Every single time I'm recording, my luck is, that something that happens and I miss it. At least I got that QLCS funnel developing on camera. At this point, I don't even want to quit recording, but I don't want to miss something like that again. Oh yeah, there's one. That one, I don't know if the camera picked it up. There's one over there. Oh boy, guys. Oh boy, it's a shelf cloud now starting to come over here. This is guys, this actually might not be an MTS. It might be a QLCS. Quasi gonna come back to the system. But squall line tornadoes are called QLCS tornadoes. But mesoscale and quasi-lunar convective are both squall lines. There's two different types of squall lines. But the squall line tornadoes, fall in number, Oh boy, here we go, guys. Here we go. The wind's picking up. Outflow debris. Outflow wind debris. Get away from power lines. I wasn't expecting to see anything like this today, guys. I'm way too close to these power lines. Hope it pops out another CG that's close, but not too close. I don't want to get hit by lightning. It's overhead. Walk back down here. Walk back down here, but once the wind starts, I really want to have to like dead sprint towards the house. Me having no car just makes this like, 100 times worse. I got my car. I got a car. I just want to take my license. To pass the next from a license on next Wednesday. It's coming Wednesday. Not today, but next Wednesday. And then I gotta, fix my car. So I don't know if I want to get the chase at the end of the season or not. But yeah, that CG was close. That thunder was loud. That CG was close. Okay, this is probably want to go into 2 segments. Want to have over an hour-long video more than likely. Once I gotta look and find some editing software for that's Apple compatible since I have an iPhone. And then I eventually like to get, a GoPro, waterproof, doesn't have to have a case. With a job, hopefully I can start to do these things now I got a job. And then, but hopefully, I am hoping to, even if I don't get to change that to last, it won't be a couple months anyway, if I did this year, maybe in like a month. But I'm definitely planning on storm chasing next year, guys. These clouds are booking it too. You can see how fast these are moving. Green glow over there. Cracking the thunder too. What's this? Moderate rain starting. This has got some wind, or rain, out ahead of it, it looks like, but the shower cloud's still down there. That's leading us to shower cloud down there, right here. Well, there's some lightning. Oh my God, guys. I don't know how this thing hasn't gone severe yet. Gone severe warned yet. I got one good lightning strike. I missed a close one. Hopefully I'll get some more here. There's a green glow in this too. I wonder if this has hail in it. That green glow can indicate heavy rain, but it also a lot of times indicates hail course. This is looking to the westerly direction. This is northeast, or sorry, that's northwest. Over there's northwest. This is the ring of fire pattern we're in right now. I don't know if we're still in or not, we were. But ring of fire patterns where you get storm clusters or lines of storms that move around the outside of the high pressure. And they fall along the jet stream, and that's what typically brings our derechos. Now, I don't know if this is going to be classified derecho. I honestly might wait and see. Well, no. There's some big lightning. It probably won't, but this hasn't even... Unless it strengthens after, here and holds, very certain criteria, it probably won't. It's just a strong squall line. May go severe. It hasn't yet. At least not to my evaluation and understanding. It hasn't been severe warned yet. Just maybe go into 3 parts at this point. If you guys wondering about if you guys would like to see my car, I'll show it to you guys. If you want to see it. This Ford Taurus right here. I'm working on it. I might have to get rid of it. It's got some engine problems. I'm trying to get worked out. It's a little bigger job than I knew when I bought it, so hopefully that will get it fixed. That's the plan anyways, to how to get it fixed. I don't want to sell it. And that would be a great storm chasing vehicle too, because it's got a lot of extra features. It's the sports sedan is what it's called. LCL, which is the sports sedan of the Ford Taurus. This wind outflow is starting to pick up too. These are just clouds. They're down there. It's a shelf cloud, guys. I'm pretty sure anyway. I think these are just clouds, or that may be part of the. If it was kind of bowing out, I think a little bit maybe. Yeah, here it comes. That might be, I don't know, that's bowing out over there, but I'm getting wet. I don't care about getting wet. I was standing the downpour, but instead of finding new ones, I start actually chasing, but I mean, the birds are like, oh crap, guys. Honestly, I wouldn't have live streaming, but I wouldn't have been able to get a thumbnail. But I said this would have been good to live stream for. Here it comes. Here we go, guys. Here we go. It's trying anyway. Structure is the best thing out of it. At the moment anyway. Those are some pretty big raindrops. I believe this is a quasi-linear convective system, guys, which is a mesoscale convective system that always forms linear modes of storms, line of storms. Mesoscale convective systems are squall lines that can be in a cluster of storms or in a line of storms in linear mode. Look how fast these clouds are moving. That's weird. That's bad guys right there. Those clouds are going this way and these are going that way. That's just usually the start to a tornado. Yeah, that is some QLCS tornado type stuff right there. Whether or not that drops one, I don't know. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh, look at the wind, look at the wind. Could try to edit this on my computer, but I don't think I have any luck with that. I guess I could try before I upload it. Or maybe just edit some parts out of it. Or leave some parts out of it when I edit. I got that shell cloud coming in for you guys though, as well. Squall lines typically drop very, very, very heavy rain. Whoa, the wind just got sprayed. The last time we had squall line we had like this, where you saw the wind blowing like that and stuff, ended up getting classified as a derecho. Depends on whether or not this thing holds severe limits and tracks at least 400 miles. There's the two big main requirements for a derecho. Oh, there's some lightning. Wow, I'm getting sprayed. You know, it's only my grandpa was, whoa, that lightning actually scared me. That thunder, I mean, scared me. You know, my grandpa said this was going northeast of me. I was like, I don't think it's going northeast. Look at this. I'm not trying to, you know, I want to tell you guys, I'm not trying to, in this case, the Weather Channel, people on the Weather Channel too, I'm not trying to, you know, badmouth you guys or anything, but your radar is a little sketchy on the Weather Channel. It's a little sketchy sometimes. I'm not trying to say anything bad about you guys. I'm just not intentionally. That's where my grandpa would play attention to, and it's like, a lot of times that happens. I'm not trying to. I know I do use Weather Channel. I love the Weather Channel. I'm just saying I don't use the Weather Channel radar a lot because it's especially for storm chasing. But I use Pay, you know, for high definition weather radar apps. Specifically made for storm chasing. So, and that's all the weather radar images you got. You'll screenshot that you'll see in the video are from Radar Scope if you guys ever want to go check that out. There's some lightning. Look at these people. The rain's so hard, these people are driving really slow. Weather conditions are pretty terrible with this. Whoa, that was close. I hope I got that lightning strike when I was sitting down there. The one I saw. I had my camera, I was zoomed out, but I had my camera pointed that way. So I'm hoping that my camera would pick that up. I wish I hadn't been talking about it. If I would have been, you know, stopped talking to my mom maybe, you know, 15 seconds earlier and started recording, I would have got it. At least I got that, tried that attempt, that QLCS tornado attempt, and got that one lightning strike. Maybe we'll see more. Squall line's moving pretty slow, or at least it was. Took forever to get here. But I won't complain. You're a beautiful squall line. So the squall line was a beauty. Your squall line coming through right now. You're a beauty. So I won't complain. I love getting to see you. And again, I'll never turn down a good storm. There's some more lightning. I'm over 20 minutes now. Almost at 20 and a half minutes. I want to try to wait to upload this, guys. I don't think this is going to be a derecho because we haven't met the criteria in it yet, but the way it looks, the fact that it's raining, dumping rain, you can still see the clouds. typically that happens with derechos. Even though you can have, rain that's, you could barely see, but you can still see the clouds. Oh, that was a big roar. This thing's angry. Woo! Woo! Come on now. Storm. It's a beauty. Squall line's a beauty. This may be an MCS. I don't even know, guys. I can tell you that it's either an MCS or a QLCS. There's some type of squall line. Look how low those clouds are right here. Just letting up a little bit. Rain letting up a little bit. Actually, it just lit up a lot. Usually what happens before you get a tornado. I already saw one tornado attempt out of this. Getting wet. I'm getting wet. Oh. Back up on the porch. Give me some time to edit this, guys. I'll try to get this up fast as I can for you guys. Give me maybe a few days to edit it. I'll really try working on it, but give me some time to edit this, guys. I'm trying to get this full storm too. Typically supercell, when you see it lit up like this, a lot of times it's supercell specifically. I mean, any storm, I believe it's any storm I'm trying to say, because I was trying to build, usually a supercells, when it lights up like this, usually right before it means, you're about ready to have a tornado. I don't know if that's the same thing as squall lines. So if it is, put that down in the comments, let me know. I'm no means by no. I'm a professional storm chaser. I would like to, head towards that way eventually, if I get the chance. But I would definitely like to have that way, if I get the chance, ever get the chance. But I know the supercells, it's picking up again. When you get quiet like it did just a minute ago, it usually means that a tornado, is imminent. Like I said, I don't know squall lines, so definitely comment. I'll take criticism too. Yes, definitely. If you guys could let me know in the comments, let me know about that. That'd be great. We're supposed to have more chances tomorrow and Friday of severe weather. The risks are lower Thursday and Friday, but I'll see if we get anything tomorrow. So this isn't producing a lot of stable, not stable, but steady winds, but it's producing a really strong wind gust. But that's another thing derechos do all the time too. I can't win for losing, guys. Every single time I quit recording in a storm, I get a CG that's a lightning strike that's very close. I can't seem to get one on camera. I can't win for losing. It's just my luck. Guys, I think I may go ahead and end this here. I got so much video to record. I'm gonna probably have to do multiple segments. I don't know. This is lasting kind of long enough to be a derecho so far. I don't know. I know squall lines can typically pass around 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes for a normal squall line to pass. Derechos can tend to pass around, say, like 30 to like 45 minutes to pass. This may be a developing derecho, guys. Because honestly, that last derecho recorded, it was doing a lot of this same thing, except it was still severe warned when it came through here. But I edited that, and I have liked it and stuff, and I found out later they classified it as a derecho, so I had to delete that and re-edit. So I may try to hold off on this, because even though this isn't, this may get classified as a derecho later in this cycle, depending on how long it lasts and stuff. Like I said, the Storm Prediction Center is very, very precise on requirements for a derecho. Derechos, even though they last longer, they tend to move quicker. So I don't know. We totally from lightning. We totally lost all visibility of the clouds too. Guys, I'm gonna end this here. I may come on with another segment, and I may not. If not, I'll try to make an ending for this video. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Make sure you're gonna leave a comment down below. Leave a like the video. Leave comments down below. Subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. I appreciate it. And that helps the channel out a lot. And I'll see you all in the next video. Love you all, and never stop chasing. Bye. Hey, it's Storm Chaser guys, back with another segment here. I just wanted to end this video on the squall line, because it's falling apart now. It was a strong squall line. It wasn't severe warned. It was very close to being severe warned. It had, just weather statement out, it was a strong squall line. And as you guys saw, there was a QLCS tornado attempt. I'll edit that in when I edit the video. But I mean, it almost tornadoed. That QLCS tornado was over here near Samantha, which is a little town down there, just around the curve. Yeah. But it was a strong squall line. The structure was incredible on it too. It's literally one of the best. Even though it wasn't severe warned, that was literally one of the best, squall lines I've ever documented and seen in my entire life. And it almost tornadoed. I missed that big bolt of lightning, which I literally miss every single time. That's my luck. It happens every single time. Lightning that close, strike that close, happens legitimately every single time I'm not recording. It's just my luck. But I did get. I think I got that. That big sporadic lightning bolt a little further off in the distance. Once I started recording, I was talking to my mom, showing my mom the storm. My parents the storm when that lightning strike happened, and then when I saw that QLCS tornado attempt, my mom was like, I gotta get off here. It's about ready for a tornado. There's a QLCS tornado attempt. These are just trailing clouds behind it. But like I said, like and subscribe, comment down below. That was a dangerous event, for me to be in. I do it though. Hopefully, I'll storm chase and I'll be safer. But definitely please like and subscribe. Leave comments down below. Supposed to have severe weather temps, like I said in the video, tomorrow and Friday. As they're low, they're only marginal risk, but may not see anything tomorrow. But yeah. So I mean, that was literally one of the best storms I've ever seen. I'm gonna get off here. I want to try to at least do most of this in one part. A lot of segments, so I'm gonna read about how to tornado. So that's fun. It's hard to see in the video. You can see the funnel cloud in the video, but it was hard to see where exactly. But it was, you'll see when I add the picture and at that part, that funnel cloud about made it to the ground. It literally almost tornadoed. Like, I mean, if I would have my sworn spotter certification, I probably would have reported that. That was definitely QLCS production. So yeah, I won't quit talking here. I haven't talked enough in this video, so I love you all, and I'll hopefully see you either tomorrow or Friday. And I do want to tell you too after the video, I'll say it again real quick. You know, if you have happy 4th of July out there to everyone who, you know, supports it or celebrates it, I mean. And if you don't celebrate it, happy Thursday. And then I'll try, if I go to see fireworks tonight, if have my town having fireworks tonight, I will try and, you know, maybe get a quick video of that. Just to celebrate, you know, 4th of July with you guys. I love you all. You're my Storm Chasing family. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Hopefully guys, there's gonna be a lot more storm chasing to come from me. So guys, definitely subscribe. All right, I love you all. Never stop chasing. Bye.